track number 3, westbound, milepost 65. We're at Blue Cut, BNSF Auto Rex. Westbound. Alright, you guys. Share with your family and friends. Give us a thumbs up. We'll catch you on the next one. Love you guys. Take care. Thanks for watching. And watch a couple more. Got Buddy hanging out over here. Let's take a look at him real quick. There he is. Keep an eye on me, of course. How am I doing, buddy? Okay, yeah, I know it's early. It's hard to please the boss. Take care, you guys. Cajon Pass Railroad Fans, hope you're all doing great. Buddy, our executive producer, wants to let you know that all Super Chat, Super Thanks, channel members, and Patreon members are all now Buddy's special assistant producers. That's right. He loves you guys. You too can become one of Buddy's special assistants. Just contribute today, and you will find your name scrolled at the end of every video. All right, you guys, you know what to do. Thanks, and we'll catch you on the next one. Right, buddy? All right, take care, you guys. Love you.